Do you want to know the difference between SIP and lump sum in mutual funds? And what are index funds? If yes, then this video is for you. Let's understand in simple language. Hello friends, I'm Imran Khan and you are watching Vim Money Mindset. Today, we will discuss a crucial topic in the second phase of the Zero to Hero Finance series, mutual funds. There was a time when mutual funds were a mystery to me, but today I'm here to unlock their secrets for you. In this video, we'll discuss SIP or systematic investment plan versus lump sum. Which method is better for you? Index funds. What are they and why are they important? Simple explanations of AMC or Asset Management Company, NAV, which stands for Net Asset Value, and KGR, the Compound Annual Growth Rate. Do you want to understand and grow your investments? Let's get started. SIP and lump sum are two different investment methods. SIP, you invest a fixed amount regularly. It helps manage market volatility. Lump sum, you invest a large amount at once. This is suitable for those with market knowledge. Question: would you prefer regular small investments or a one-time large investment? Index funds track the market's performance. They provide returns based on the performance of market indices like Nifty or Sensex. Low cost. They have lower management fees, making them cost-effective for investors. Interesting fact: did you know that Warren Buffett also advises investing in index funds? Key terms in mutual funds. AMC or Asset Management Company manages your fund. NAV, which stands for Net Asset Value, is the per unit price of your fund. KGR or Compound Annual Growth Rate is the annual growth rate of your investment. Question: do you find these terms difficult to understand? If yes, we will simplify them for you. If you found this information useful, write "ready to invest in mutual funds" in the comments and share this video so others can benefit too. In the next video, we'll explore Introduction to the Stock Market, Demat Account, Stocks, and Long-Term Strategy. Stay connected with Vim Money Mindset and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Remember, investing in mutual funds can help you achieve your financial goals. I'm Imran Khan and I'm with you on this financial journey. If you have any questions, write them in the comment box. See you in the next video. Until then, invest wisely and move towards financial freedom.